I replaced the thermostat in my Airstream. I have a 2022 25-foot flying cloud with two AC units. The original thermostat is a Dometic CCC2, and I replaced it with a MicroAir 350 RV that I ordered from Airgear. The MicroAir comes in black and white, and I chose black. It's a really easy replacement. The cable on the back of the unit is like a phone jack for a landline phone. You just have to unplug that from the old thermostat and then plug it into the new one. I didn't even have to configure the new thermostat. When it powered on, it found both units and knew that there were AC, heat pumps, and furnace. The MicroAir has a phone app to control it, and it can use either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth connection doesn't require internet access, and you can control the thermostat when you're near it, which is basically anywhere inside the trailer. When you have internet access, you can connect the MicroAir to a Wi-Fi network and access it when you're away from the trailer. And of course, you can just walk over to the MicroAir and operate it from the touch panel like an animal. The thermostat knows the temperature inside the trailer. The app lets you set a temperature range, and it will notify you when the temperature goes outside of that range. I did configure this, but the temperature didn't go outside that range during our first trip with it. That gives us some peace of mind when the dog is inside the trailer and we're out. The MicroAir is a lot smaller than the Dometic that it replaces. The MicroAir comes with a kit that includes some little plastic buttons to cover the screw holes. MicroAir also sells a mounting plate that can cover the holes, and I think it looks more attractive than the buttons do. But before I found out that plate existed, I did a little project and 3D printed this mounting plate you see here. I started by making a drawing of the Dometic mounting plate that was pretty precise about the location of the screw holes and the cable access port. Then I designed a plate that was just big enough to cover the screws. I made a bushing that duplicates the size of the bushings that come with the MicroAir. I put threaded inserts into the mounting plate and then attached the bushings to the mounting plate with some 10mm M3 screws. If you can 3D print and want a project, the design files are available from printables.com, and there's a link to them in the description.